We all know that Nikon doesn't have a lot of dedicated APS-C lenses. This is one third-party solution, the Viltrox 15mm f1.7. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the strengths and the weaknesses of this lens, so you can decide whether it's right for you. Viltrox 15mm f1.7 Air for Nikon Z, Sony E, and Fujifilm X mounts. Physical features. It's got a minimalist design, a metal mount with a USB-C port for firmware updates, and a small lens hood. It is an APS-C lens, but it also works with full-frame cameras in crop mode. Like most Viltrox Air lenses, it's got a 58mm filter thread, which can be useful for video because you'll only need one set of ND filters. Strengths. Number 1. The lens is small. It is 180 grams and 56.4mm long. Number 2. It's got nice bokeh. Yes, most people won't be seeing too much bokeh because it's so wide, but at f1.7 and near the minimum focus distance, it can produce good bokeh, especially with its 9 aperture blades. Here's how it looks at minimum focus distance at f1.7. Now f2.8. Still smooth, right? And finally, f5.6. Number 3. Good sharpness. It's already pretty strong at f1.7 and it sharpens up further at f2.8 and beyond. Here is the extreme center at f1.7 versus the corner. And now here's the same comparison at f2.8, where both the center and the corner show improvement. Number 4. Not much distortion. Even if you look at this uncropped shot, you'll see that the corner performance is good. There's not much stretching or softness in the corners. And keep in mind, this is with all distortion corrections off. Here's a shot of a flat grid. You can see that the distortion is mild. But what about the weaknesses? Number 1. Occasional long line flare. The 15mm Air is good at resisting flare, even when the sun is in the frame. Occasionally, you can get a long flare beam. Number 2. Some aberrations. Although the distortion performance is decent, against bright light sources like this, you will see some chromatic aberrations. Number 3. A minimum focus distance. The minimum focus distance is 22.9 centimeters, which gives a maximum magnification of 0.1x. Now, it's not going to be a problem for most people, especially if you just use this lens for events and landscapes. However, some wider zooms can go up to 0.25x, so it's something to note. Number 4. Vignetting. The vignetting is strong at f1.7. It improves by f2.8 and mostly stays that way when further stopping down. However, it's easily correctable in most cases. Conclusion. The Viltrox 15mm f1.7 Air lens is a sharp, compact APS-C prime. Its minimum focus distance could be better, and some people might not like the flaring, but for $239, it's a good value, especially considering that wider angle lenses are often much more expensive. If you're looking for a wider lens for your Nikon, Sony, or Fuji APS-C camera, the Viltrox 15mm f1.7 Air is a strong choice for a tighter budget. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Viltrox 15mm f1.7 Air, but if you didn't, you might be a bird photographer.